Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So before we continue guys, most people what they will do, this is a 2018 Challenger, they will open the hood and they will try to look for that fuse guys in the fuse box, okay, right here. But it's not there guys, it's somewhere else. We need to go towards the back of that Dodge Challenger. We need to go towards the trunk. If you do not know how to open a trunk that's stuck close, we have a video that will teach you all about that, check it out. We'll need to open the trunk, in our case we fixed it, but let's show you which fuse it is. You need to remove, okay, that cover for the spare tire and you get to the spare tire, the car battery. Now, before we continue, let me tell you guys, on these modern cars it's really important in some cases to disconnect the car battery before removing fuses and relays. Also, if you disconnect the wrong battery terminal first, that can cause damage to modules, computers, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. We've done that mistake, it cost us $2,000. Do not do it guys. Now, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first, check it out. Then we'll come to that fuse box right here. You need to press there, pull up, flip the fuse box cover, and here guys you have fuses. Common mistake we see, people do not test fuses guys. They will look through the window or through the fuse and try to see if it's burned. Sometimes you cannot clearly see if it's a good or bad fuse. Sometimes you may think it's perfectly fine fuse but it's bad, and if you put it in and you start spending money for other parts and your time to fix that problem guys, when all you have to do is test the fuse and replace it, it's just not worth it. So we'll put a video to a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check it out. Now if you come right here, what do you have? You're going to have fuse guys starting from the left side. Even if you have a missing one, you still count it. You have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuse from left to right, but it's known as fuse number F7. So we'll go ahead and remove it, okay, that fuse. Now if you need to get replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. If your trunk still doesn't open or close after the fuse replacement guys, we have a special video that explains why trunk doesn't open, and also in some cases if there was something bad, fuse was burned or something was shorted out, your body control module, that's a computer for the body of your Dodge Challenger, may deactivate that function. You need a scanner like the Maxicom guys, MK808, that's an amazing scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to find more about it, how much it is and functions, but it works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. So you can access every computer system, reset the codes, that should fix it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.